What's up, you guys? It's Paul here. I wanted to give a quick stock market update for you guys here. If you watched my previous video on whether we were going to see a stock market crash or not, I talked about how this was more of a reversion to the mean in my opinion. We saw that it did go through the mean and kept falling down more, but then I thought that if it falls down more, we would see a little bit of a support from the 50-day moving average here, close to 330, 331, and a stronger support would be around the 200-day moving average here as low as $308, $308 to $309 here, okay? So we're already seeing a little bit of a reversion here. This doesn't really confirm that we're completely out of the woods here. It could still go back down. This could be a temporary drop here. But what I'm really looking at right now is, if I zoom out here a little bit, we're currently at $339.79 for the SPY. Up about 2% today, but we're still exactly at our previous highs before this crash in March. Okay, so if you see here, even the previous highs were around $338, $339, and we were just there. Okay, now one of two things could happen. This could end up becoming like a strong resistance where it bounces off and starts going down again, keep testing the 50 or 200-day moving averages, or we could quickly test it, bounce off of it, and then again that could become a strong support. Okay, so in my opinion, I'm still waiting out. Sometimes in situations like this, the best thing you can do is actually nothing. Just wait, hold some cash, wait to see the price action and see if it's a strong uptrend or if it's going on a strong downtrend. There's a lot of volatility here, so much uncertainty going around between now and the fact that we have the US elections in just 2 months from now. So be careful. I'm not trading options as much because the premium has been going down a lot just from the sheer uncertainty in the market. So if you see dips like this, I would actually recommend buying shares instead of buying call options or put options, because it's one of those stages where it's really hard to predict which way it's going to go. Okay, so just watch for this, guys. The MACD line is still above zero. We haven't seen any kind of confirmation that our leading indicator has crossed over the lagging indicator that we saw before here. So this could still go down. We don't know that yet. I was following the futures here. The S&P is down a little bit for the futures for September 10th. So I'm not really sure what's going to happen tomorrow. We have to keep an eye out for it. But I just wanted to update you guys about that. Don't get too bullish too early or bearish too early. Just watch out for the price action. Look at our strong supports for the 50 and 200-day moving averages, and base your trades on that. Okay, go for shares, not options right now. I've seen some stocks where I had some old call options on them, and even though the stock actually bounced back a little bit, I saw that the calls barely appreciated it. Okay, and what that really shows here is that the premium right now is a little too much on all of these options because of this massive run up. And even though you might see a bit of a turnaround, the way the option exchange are working are not quite matching up with the price action of the stock. Okay, so whenever you see that kind of a mismatch, you're better off kind of staying away from options for a little bit. Wait for this volatility and uncertainty to settle down, and then you can go with options. Okay, so you can buy in tranches of shares, dollar cost average down. If it goes down and if you have a strong confirmation, only then go with options. Okay, now one other way you can avoid that uncertainty in the option price is to go with spreads only, be it debit spreads or credit spreads, and that way, irrespective of what happens to either of the options, you'll be fine in terms of the pricing. Okay, so I hope that helps you guys. Just wanted to give a very quick update here. If you like the video, please just smash the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, thanks again for watching, and until next time.